What is going on YouTube? It is Aris, also known as Forward Flips. In today's video, we hit up some pretty awesome garage sales, tons of profit to be made, and I probably found my most unexpected find ever. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this one. How much are the hoodies, ma'am? $3. $3 each?
You can get 2 for 10 and for that one.
That's 2 for 10? Okay.
And then I can give you that one for 5.
I think she'll snag this.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
This one's cool. It's Captain Crunch.
So sorry. The rock and sock and the 2 pops are sold.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he just got them. Sorry. Thank you.
Do you have any more?
No, I'm sorry.
You're good. Hi, how are you?
Morning.
Anything in that bucket is a dollar.
What is this, though? It's sealed. Why does it feel like empty, though?
I don't know.
Nothing.
It says Nintendo DS on it though.
Well, everything in here is $1, so. I have a question. You guys happen to have any more of this stuff? Like any more of the games or anything like that?
I do.
Really? Do you have
Can
them?
we get them?
You know where they are, don't you?
You have them on the 3rd floor in her.
Yeah, in that high
Okay,
dresser.
I'll grab 'em.
Yeah.
Take your
She'll
phone.
grab, you know,
Like any games or any consoles that you recognize if you're familiar with it?
Jeez, I'm stepping on stuff.
God knows what she's gonna.
Not at the expense of your health, though, please. Please, be careful. Gotcha. There's nothing like this, like Game Boy or Wii or PC or anything like that? Just the PC stuff?
I don't know what's up there.
If not, no worries. We'll just definitely buy this. Yeah, I see. Possibly. How much would you sell it for?
Oh, Guitar Hero or whatever.
Yeah, it's not a real guitar. It's like it's a gaming guitar.
$5?
Yeah, I'd do 5 on it. Do you want me to move this stuff for you so you don't have to? Yeah, I don't have to probably move everything. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna pass on it. Just because there's like spiders and I cannot be bringing spiders in your car. Can I?
You want them?
All right, all right.
Here. Like down.
I don't want to get yelled at. All right. I don't want to get yelled at.
I got her. What is this? I don't know what this is. Believe me, I don't know. I know.
All right, well, I'll snag this one. But yeah, I see this was for the Wii. Like the other one was for the Wii.
Yeah.
Did you get rid of that one already?
I don't even know. You know that? I don't even know. Let me, you know what? I know right where it would be.
$7 for all that. Good morning, how are you? Pretty good. I'm guessing you got rid of some other stuff already?
Yeah, a couple other games.
Gotcha. You have any other consoles?
No, I only have the PC and the Xbox on it.
No, you're good, man. How much are you doing on the games, my man?
Everyone except Red Dead I'm doing like 5. Red Dead I'm doing like, I guess, 15 or 10.
And do you know if this thing works? It does?
The lighthouse is in there and everything. Since I got a quest now, see what the light.
I got you. How much do you want for it now?
I would do 50.
50? Alright, what could you do?
I'll do 60 for everything.
60?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll definitely get it, but can you just make sure like all the wires are here? Like,
Yeah, I'll double check for you. There's 2 lighthouses, right? The 2 little square boxes?
yeah, those are these, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so everything's here. It's all these, right?
Yes.
Alright.
And an extra coins for the microphone.
Do you happen to have a bag or anything like that?
I can check for you.
Thank you.
You need just a little plastic bag?
Yeah.
I got one. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Oh, shit. That could have been really bad. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Thank you so much.
You got it, bro.
All right, here you go, man. I'll worry about the wires in a second.
All right.
Thank you so much, man. That should be 60, right?
Yep.
All right, thank you.
Appreciate you. Have a good day.
You too. Oh my God, that is crazy. That VR set is worth so much money. It's worth like 300. Each lighthouse is worth, there's 2 of these. They're worth $100 each.
She shopped on eBay. Or QVC. QVC, yeah. She had the most wonderful things in box. Brand new.
How much are the books, guys?
It depends
On the textbooks. Like
which ones, because they're gonna be a little different.
these two?
This one's 10,
Okay, and this
at
one?
least, and that one is at least 8.
Would you do both for 15?
Sure.
Here you go, I think that's
Broke
15.
my friggin' neck.
Double check, I guess. Are you selling anything?
Me? No.
Nah, video games, right?
Games or jerseys, something like that.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
nothing. Yeah.
Thanks, man. Thank you.